Hi. In this video, we will see how simple it is to initiate a task or work item in simpliRP BCMS. For your convenience, we have created 3 process users. Alok Sharma process user ID test 106. Ajit Sinha review user ID test 107. Ashish Sen approval user ID test 108. Now, first we will log in as Alok Sharma. Being the first user, Alok Sharma will initiate a task and sending it for review and approval. In the dashboard, the eligible document types are shown. In that, click the traveling expenses form, and work item or task initiation screen will open. The work item ID and date will automatically appear. You can now select the file for upload. Then, you can mention any instructions. Select the document type and submit. Now, when we come back to main dashboard, previously, sent for next action is showing 10. Now, when we refresh, it will be revised to 11. Means, it is pending for action in the workflow path. simpliRP Business Control and Management System is the easiest way to manage your business process management. Thank you.